up everybody, today I'll be teaching you guys how to mix and master fast and easy and simple. Can go. Now let's not waste any more time and get into the tutorial. Make sure all these different tracks sound equal. You decrease those that sound loud and then increase those that sound a little bit not too loud. And then you make sure you decrease them. And those that need effects, add some effects on them so that it can sound a little bit better too, you know. As you can see, they are not equal, but you know that it sounds equal, like it sounds like better and senior. Now on this chord progression I added an effect, but I knew that I did not need so many effects. I decided to add a reverb, just a reverb. You don't have to add too much. And then I made sure that everything is on the right key, you know. Right, and then let's go down, and the log drum too is on the right key. As you can see, the log drum is under the chord progression key, you know. As you can see, look at it, it's under the log drum, the grand piano key, so that it can sound clean too, you know, so that it cannot clash, or I don't know what you call it, collapse or clash. Yes, even this one too, but sometimes you have to make it a little bit different too. And then if you want and then on this log drum I added a distortion with a tube on it so that it can sound a little bit loud, because it was not loud enough. Then on this other one I added distortion too, and then I did not put it on tube. I put it on soft so it can sound smooth, you know. And then I added I don't know, the process or something. Now if you want to know how to make your keys be on the right chord, on the right scale, this is what you press. You press right here, and then you choose the right scale that you want to use. Now let's say you want to use this one. You press it, and then you go to the track. Let's add the track. Let's add the electric from keyboard. And then as you can see right here, we have this note right here. It's not highlighted, and then the other one is highlighted. That means it's not on the right key. And then this one is not highlighted. Now that means it's on the right key. And then I put this one too, it's on the right key. See, and then don't put it too close to each other, because it's gonna sound whack. So yeah, man, this is sound that is on the right key. Now thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This is a song for you. Let me play it for you guys. Danko. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, and like and comment and tell me what you think. And thank you guys for all the support and the love.